Welcome everybody. Let me introduce our latest large format printer in the textile market. One of the most all-round textile printers in the market today, with a lot of possibilities and a lot of fabrics we can print on. The opportunity for a small company to have this printer is the small runs you can print and the extreme wide variety of textiles that you can print with, for example, a pigment configuration or a dual configuration where you can do with pigment inks, basically all fabrics, and with a dye sublimation also paper transfer. For the large companies, imagine this printer, how ideal it could be to do sampling. So we know you don't want to stop your high volume printer or your conventional printing machines. So for this purpose, this machine, sampling, is an ideal printer to have within your company. One of the most special features in this machine is the head height. So we are able to lift the head carriage up to 7 millimeters, which prevents a head crash with the paper or with the fabric that you are printing. What kind of fabric you are printing depends on the ink configuration. So for this printer, we have the possibility to load 5 different dedicated inks for dedicated fabrics, like reactive acid, pigment inks, dye sublimation and direct sublimation inks. However, we also offer the opportunity to split our 4 print heads into 2 for a dual ink configuration. So basically we can load a pigment ink together with a dye sublimation ink or a pigment ink with a direct sublimation ink, and the last choice for dual configuration is direct sublimation and paper sublimation. So with those ink sets we can cover basically almost all fabrics you want to print on. Originally this machine was developed to be a textile fabric printer. However, now we thought about a way to also add paper or wallpaper and heat transfer paper to its portfolio. So therefore we need a platen that creates vacuum, and this is very easy to change for the operator himself. So the platen for vacuum is at the bottom of the machine, and we just put it on and click it in, and that's how easy it is. We can change now from fabric to paper or wallpaper printing. Are you also as excited as me about this new printer? Then please contact your local Mimaki partner for more information or for a demonstration.